Sairam? Sairam, all of you? Yes. Let us start with the Sri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes on Let's Learn English program. Sounds of the consonants continued. So, we have done the consonants B and C. Okay? And your instructor is Kalpana Heblekar. Yes. Okay. Now, the next consonant is D. So, the D has only how many sounds? One sound. D. D. Okay. That is drum. You know drum which you play? Yes. Drum. Then desk. D-E-S-K. Desk. Desk. D-E-S-K. Desk. Which you write. Okay. Keep your books and write on the desk. Yes. Then door. We close and open the door? Yes, door. Then day. We have day and night. Day. D-A-Y, day. Then dress. We all wear dress, right? So it is dress. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. Now we will learn the spellings. I am not repeating the consonant word spelling because we already know by now. Okay? So let us do D-R-U-M, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. See, all of you see the picture of the drum. Now you have got an idea? Yes. D-R-U-M, drum. Yes, this is the desk where you sit and you write in your class, right? It is called desk. Then we have the door. D-O-O-R, door. What is the spelling of desk? D-E-S-K, desk, desk, okay. Then day, D-A-Y, day, D-A-Y, day. Then dress, D-R-E-S-S, dress, D-R-E-S-S, dress, okay. Why I am stressing on the spellings? Yes, to learn a language, the spellings of the words are very, very necessary. Okay. So, the consonant D has only one sound. It is D. Easy, right? Yes. Drum, desk, door, day, dress. Okay. Now, we will go to the next consonant sound. The consonant letter F has the sound F. F. Okay. For example, fan. Fan. F-A-N, fan. Frock. F-R-O-C-K, frock. F-R-O-C-K, frock. Foot. F-O-O-T, foot. See, when I am saying foot, so that fur comes, okay. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Frown, F-R-O-W-N, frown. F-R-O-W-N, frown. Then fish, F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Yes. Now we will see fan. F-A-N, fan. We all of us know, right? It rotates, right? And we get cool breeze, right? So, fan. F-A-N, fan. Then frock. F-R-O-C-K, frock. Frock means what? The girls wear, no, small girls. Then your sisters will be wearing frock. F-R-O-C-K, frock. Shirt is for the boys. Frock is for girls, okay. Then foot, F-O-O-T, foot. See, foot, this is called the foot. Then frown, F-R-O-W-N, frown. F-R-O-W-N, frown. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. See, now why these all pictures are shown? Because sometimes what happens, you want to say, I have a bad foot pain. Okay. So now you forget the word foot. Now what to do? You'll suddenly remember, yes, in the slide I had seen the picture of foot. So that at least you can show that is the foot. Otherwise, instead of saying, you will show here, this pain you are getting, ankle pain or something like that. So foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Okay. So all of you know, let us revise again. The consonant letter D has one sound. Example, drum, desk, door, day and dress. The consonant sound letter F has one sound, that is F. F, F. And fan, frock, foot, frown, fish. Okay? Yes. Now, the consonant letter G has two sounds. Okay? The consonant letter G has how many sounds? Yes, two sounds. Very good. Okay. So, that is J and J. G and J. Okay? So, now example of the words G is goat. So, we don't say jote. Okay? Goat. Then gold. See, G is coming. Gold. Get. Get. Gate. Gate. Game. Game. Okay? Let us now tell the spelling. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Gold. G-O-L-D. Gold. G-E-T. Get. G-E-T. Get. G-A-T-E. Gate. G-A-T-E. Gate. Then we have game. G-A-M-E. Game. So we all like to play games, right? Very good. Okay. Now let us see. Yes. See this goat. So beautiful it is, right? Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Okay. Then gold. See gold. With the gold you can make ornaments, right? Bangles, bracelets, chain, earrings. Very good. That is gold. And now see this beautiful gate. So once you are inside, no robbers can come inside. Okay. So it is a gate. G-A-T-E. Gate. And game, you know, we always play, right? Yes. Game. Good. So now let us say again, the consonant letter G has two sounds, G and J. Example of the word G is goat, gold, gate, get, game, etc. Now, example of the word of the second sound is J, but it is G only, okay? So, it is ginger, ginger. We don't say ginger, we say ginger, okay? Then giraffe. We don't say giraffe, we say giraffe. So, giraffe. Then gym, G-Y-M, gym. All of you know, no? Gym, some of you must be going. Gym. Then gymnastics. Gymnastics means play, which is done on the rope or, you know, on the high level. You can jump and all that. These are called as gymnastic. All the sports activities. Gymnastics. Okay? So, it is not gymnastics, it is gymnastics. Okay? See, this is ginger. You know, ginger? Yes, which we put in tea or in the ingredient of our masalas. Yes, when you eat. It gives a different taste, right? Why? Some of you are saying you don't like ginger. Yes, it is very tasty and it is good for health. Okay, so you should eat ginger. Yes. Then giraffe. You know, giraffe, such a beautiful animal. See, it is so tall and it is having yellowish and, you know, brown spots on it. Beautiful. See, God's creation is so beautiful, right? So we should all thank God for giving us the opportunity for looking at these beautiful animals and birds, plants, flowers around us. And each human being also is different from other, right? So thank you, God. Let us see. Okay. So now we will repeat again. The consonant sound G has two sounds, G and J. Example of the words with G are goat, gold, get, gate, game, etc. Example of the words with J sound are ginger, giraffe, gym, gymnastic, etc. So that's the end of our consonant letter in this slide. And then we are going to go for the further. It is H. The consonant letter H has one sound. It is called as H. H. Okay, let us see which are the words which are used as H. All the words starting with H has got the pronunciation H. Hat. See, hat. House, House, house. Okay. Hot, Hot, hot. Hair, Hair, hair. Hen, Hen, hen. Hut, Hut, hut. Hand, Hand, hand. Okay. So now let us see hat. Yes, hat. Now you will say, what is the difference between cap and a hat? Okay. Cap is small to be, taken and worn during sport time and all that. Hat is worn by the kings or the judges. Okay. So it is called as hat. Okay. Then house, House, house. Yes, all of you know house? Yes, very good. We all love our house, right? Yes. House, House, house. Then hen, Hen, hen. What sound does the hen make? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Yes, hen, Hen, hen. Then hut. You know the thatched huts which are there in the fields, nearby the fields when you travel or you see? Yes, those are called hut. H-U-T, hut. Those are very comfortable place also live inside. Okay, it's very cool. Not like the big, big houses which are very hot. We have to put AC, fan and everything. But huts are very cool because they have thatched roofs. Okay? See? Thatched roofs. Okay. So now the next consonant letter is J. Now J also has only one sound. It is called as J. 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 Yes. Now let us say jug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. J-A-R, jar. J-A-R, jar. J-E-L-L-Y, jelly. J-E-L-L-Y, jelly. Jam, J-A-M, jam. J-A-M, jam. Jump, J-U-M-P, jump. You know to jump? All of you are jumping. Not only monkeys, you also jump, right? Very good. J-U-M-P, jump. Then juice, J-U-I-C-E, juice. J-U-I-C-E, juice. Just, J-U-S-T, just. J-U-S-T, just. Okay. Now, we'll see. This is the most yummiest, consonant word. Why? Because all, see, jam, jelly, juice, wow. Mouth is watering? Yes. So don't forget the sound of it. J. J is J. Okay. Now the first word is jelly. J-E-L-L-Y, jelly. Yes. All of you have eaten? Yes. Mouth is watering, right? Yes. Don't drop it on the on your books. Okay. Very good. Then jam, J-A-M, jam, which we put on the bread. Yes, jam, J-A-M, jam. It is not jam, okay? It is jam, jam, j, okay? Then juice, J-U-I-C-E, juice, J-U-I-C-E, juice. Yes, all of us drink, right? When we are tired, juice. And then jug, J-U-G, jug, which we fill the water and keep it on the table. Jug, J-U-G, jug. Yes? All of you got the sound of J? Okay. Now, let us go to the next consonant sound of K. The consonant letter K has only one sound, that is K. 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 Okay? Like kangaroo, 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 kite, 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 king, 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 keys, 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 kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Okay? Let us say the spellings. Kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Now we have learnt why K is capital here, because it is 5 things, no? Name, place, animal, thing. So, name, it starts with a name. So, K is capital over here. Kangaroo. Then kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Again, kite here is 2 types. Okay. This is one kite, and kite is a bird also. Kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Then king, K-I-N-G, king. K-I-N-G, king. Then keys, K-E-Y-S, keys. K-E-Y-S, keys. And kitchen. All of you know kitchen, the favorite place of the house, right? K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. All of us, as soon as we come from out, we run to the kitchen. Mama, what you have done? What you have done? Yes, that is kitchen, our favorite place. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Okay. Now see, kangaroo is such a beautiful animal. It has a pouch in its stomach. Okay. And it keeps its little one in the pouch, because it keeps running, right, here and there. So it will take its small one and it will go from here, jump here and there. So it is such a beautiful kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Okay. Then we have kite. So when is the kite competition? All of you know, it comes in January. Okay. So K-I-T-E, kite. So whosoever kite goes up, they will be the winner. But sometimes, you know, your friend comes and it cuts the thread in between. So your kite goes down. Zoom, 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 zoom. Okay. So kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Then king, K-I-N-G, king. K-I-N-G, king. Then keys, K-E-Y-S, keys. K-E-Y-S, keys. Kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. So, that's the end of our slide, and now we will go to the next class next time. So, thank you for watching Sri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam's online classes for Let's Learn English. Thank you very much.